Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to self-study finance step by step. Start with the fundamentals of finance. This includes understanding key terms like assets, liabilities, and equity. Then, delve into personal finance, covering budgeting, saving, and debt management. Finally, begin exploring various investment options to build a solid base for your self-study. Next, focus on core financial concepts to deepen your understanding. Learn to analyze essential financial statements, such as the income statement and balance sheet, to assess a company's health. Understand how to value assets and entire companies using various established methods and principles. Additionally, explore effective risk management techniques to protect your investments and ensure your financial well-being. Now, move to more advanced topics to broaden your financial expertise. Investigate complex financial instruments like derivatives, including options and futures, and explore alternative investments such as real estate. Actively apply your accumulated knowledge by working through practical, real-world case studies. Engaging in financial modeling exercises will also significantly enhance your analytical understanding and practical skills. Finance is a dynamic and ever-evolving field, making continuous learning absolutely crucial for success. Stay well-informed by regularly reading reputable financial news and in-depth analyses from various sources. Leverage online platforms for specialized courses and certifications to consistently deepen your expertise. Networking with experienced finance professionals can also provide invaluable insights and open new opportunities for your growth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.